Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money from CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any experience. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a new traffic source, and I am also going to show you an offer which you can promote on the CPA marketing so that you'll be able to make money. So make sure you keep watching till the end so that I will be able to show you everything you need to know. First thing you need to do is to create an account on a CPA platform, and you may create your account on a CPA lead or CPAGRIP or CPA build or even Bounty. But in today's video, we are going to use a CPA grip. So once you create your account is going to look like this. It's going to look clean. I'm just using this one as a new account now. So the first and the next thing you need to do now, you need to go to offer tools. You click on offer tools. When you click on offer tools, the next thing you need to do now, you click my offer. When you click my offer, your platform is going to open. Your platform is going to open like this. You are going to see the country where you are in this where there is country. Because I'm in Nigeria, that's the reason why this place is they are putting Nigeria here. This video we are going to be using an offer from the United Kingdom. So where you are having country right now, you are going to put the United Kingdom there. How are you going to change Nigeria to United Kingdom? So you click this down arrow. When you click this down arrow, where you are having this open space, you are going to put the United Kingdom there. This is United Kingdom, and this is United Kingdom. So once it's like this, it's going to show us different offer from United Kingdom. So let's allow it to open now. And you can see that this thing has already opened now. And here you can see that from the offer from United Kingdom, these are the offer we're able to see from the United Kingdom. So if you see the number one right now, this is get your 750 cash in your account now. Spend 750 towards you buy heat. Then see how you can get 750 pounds cash in your account. These are different offer you can promote. But this is not the only metric you are going to put into consideration. You can see here right now, if I show you on the top here right now, you can see here that it's saying that this is this is a desktop. This is all. Maybe you are talking of Apple AI. Maybe you are also talking of Android. So, but the purpose of this video, you are going to choose any offer that is more that can be promoted more than one or two operating system. If you see this one, now you can see this one is still available in desktop, also available in Apple AI, also available in Android. Likewise, all other one. But if you see this one, it's only available on Apple AI. So for the purpose of this video right now, we are going to choose this number one, which says get 75 pounds cash in your account now. So what we now need to do right now, we need to double click it. When we double click this one, it's going to come up. Let's double click it. You can see now you have that means the thing has come up right now. You can see now you say get 750 pounds cash in your account now. Enter your information now and get started. Then it's now said that for you to get this thing done, you need the offer you and the operating system you are going to be using right now. Majorly is going to be Android. Meanwhile, you can also get this thing done on a desktop. You can as well get it done in Apple AI. And for you to get $2.99, somebody must submitted his email through SIP Summit. And how are you going to be promoting this thing? You are going to be promoting this offer by taking the affiliate link. This is the affiliate link here. And you just copy this one. But you can see here right now, they say you need to take a tracking domain. We have different tracking domain here. By clicking this down arrow, it's going to give you different tracking domain. But for the purpose of this video, you can see that this is new. So you get back to this one. And the next thing you now need to do right now, you need to copy this your affiliate links now. You put it in your notepad. You have taken your affiliate links and you are putting it in your notepad or any site there where you are not going to forget it. The next thing we now need to do right now is just to create a landing page. And for you to create a landing page there, you can use a Google site. You can as well use a system.io. You can also use any local site. So what you now need to do right now, you need to right click this one. When you right click this one, it's going to open. When it opens, it's going to open like this. So let's allow it to open. You can see here it's saying start a new site. And seeing that we don't want this video to be too long, the site has been created. So if any of you guys have an issue on how to create a landing page, if I can get up to 20 people or more than that, I'm going to help you create a landing page. I'm going to show you a video that is going to show you how to create a landing page. So for the purpose of this video right now, this is the landing page for this offer right now. This is the offer we already choose here, which is and get 750 cash in your account now. So if you see here right now, you can see that it's as well get 750 in your account now. So what I do here is just that you can see this one now. What I do here is just that I just download this one into my system. After downloading it to my system, I just come back here to create a landing page. And that's why I told you, if you want to create a landing page for this system, it's very simple. Just go to the comment section of this video. Help me create a landing page. So I'm going to show you a video that is going to show you how to create a landing page. So what I do here is just, I said, get 750 pounds cash in your account now, available for next 12 people. So this is going to make them to be able to get this thing as quickly as possible, because they now know that for them to get 750 pounds, it's only 12 people that is left. So they will need to rush to this your landing page and want to get their own. So that is just the purpose of that one. I think I'm making sense. So that's just a simple explanation. So now the landing page has been created. The next thing now we need to start doing now is just to start promoting this offer. And the website we are going to be using today is called wikihard.com. So this is the website now. Quick classify post ads for jobs, car, rental, and pets. So what we now need to do right now, the first URL is what you are going to click. When you click this one, it's going to open. Let's allow it to open. It's already open now. You can see that these are the offer they are just been promoting now. This one is posted here on 2 hours ago. This is 3 hours ago. This is 3 hours ago. This is 4 hours ago. And if we move now, we are going to be see series of offer here, which they are promoting. This one 11 hours ago, 11 hours ago, 2 hours ago. So what we are going to be doing right now is just you need to have an account on this platform. When you just have an account on this platform, the next thing you need to do right now, you click post a local ads, post a global ads, post a banner ads. So we are using the post a local apps. So you click on this one. When you click on this one, it's going to open like this. I won't open like this now. You are going to see they say plus choose area and city, United States, Canada, Europe, Oceania, Asia. And you should not forget that the offer we are promoting here is for United Kingdom. So what we now need to do right now, we need to come back here, and the United Kingdom is under which continent? It's under Europe. So you click on this one. When you click on this one, you move down. When you move down, you're going to see United Kingdom now. Here you see United Kingdom. You click on United Kingdom, meaning that in this city now, these are the cities under United Kingdom. So for the purpose of this video, let's choose the largest city under United Kingdom, which is London also. So if you click this one right now, so let's see it open. It's going to come like this now. So it's not telling you now. Here under the location is now London, United Kingdom. Then what is the offer we are promoting now? This is make money online. So which is a get cash 750 pounds cash in your account, which is make money. So what you now need to do, you come back here. When you come back here, you scroll down. When you scroll down, this is make money. You click on this one. I haven't clicked on this one now. Then where are you making this money? You are making this money from home, which is work from home job. So you click on this one. I haven't clicked on that one now. It's going to open like this. When you open like this now, you need to put your offer here. Then the title here is going to be get 70 pounds cash in your account. So that's what you are going to put here. So this is just the whole comprehensive things of what you are seeing here now. So get 750 pounds cash in your account for free. So this is the way I just do it now. So it means that when you just do this one, this is how your offer is going to look like when they now put it on this platform. So when I now put this thing on this platform now, this is going to expire by 7th of January 2026. So which is almost 2 months now. So that is just the way to make money under this platform. And I think I'm making sense. I want to believe you have enjoyed this video. And if you have enjoyed this video, what I want you to do right now, just give me a like and also give me a thumb up for many people to get discovered like this video. And peradventure you are watching this channel for the first time, what you also need to do, just subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So this is how we are going to be promoting this offer right now. So at this point, I want to bring this video to an end. And if you have any question, just go to the comment section of this video, put your questions there. And when I see those questions, I'm going to do justice to them. So I love you and I see you in my next video. Shalom. Thanks for watching.